For this video, we are going to evaluate the Laplace transform of this binomial expression 4 times e to the power of 5t minus 10 sine 2t. We are going to use here the linearity property of our Laplace transform as we allow to actually use the previous general forms we're able to establish and come up with the final result of this Laplace transform. Take note that the formula for Laplace transform for all f of t is equal to the integral from 0 to infinity of e to the power of negative st f of t dt. But in our previous videos, we're able to establish general formulas for situations like this. If we are going to have the Laplace transform of e to the power of any ct, okay, any with e to raise to any exponent with arbitrary constant ct, we have an equivalent for that. At the same time, the Laplace transform for sine ct, whatever will be the value of our c here, we could also come up with its general form. For the Laplace transform of e raised to any ct is equal to 1 over s minus c. Whatever the c here, that's the value of here as well. For our sine ct is just equal to c over s squared plus c squared. If you're not yet convinced with this, you can always return and review the examples presented previously for the result of this. We're talking about this because as we look into the Laplace transform of 4e to the raised to the 5t minus 10 sine 2t, we can use the linearity property here, breaking them into two portions. The Laplace transform of 4e raised to 5t, that's 5. Let me rewrite this to make this clear. 5t, and then minus the Laplace transform for 10 sine 2t. Now there are combinations that we can also do here, but the linearity property allows us to break the constants. You will have the Laplace transform of e raised to the 5t, and here minus 10 the Laplace transform of sine 2t. We are doing this because this is fitting to this form where our c is 5 and this is fitting to this form as well. So by integrating them, you will have 4 times the general form where we have this is times 1 over s minus our c, which is 5, minus 10 times the general form for sine ct where c is this 2 here is 2 over s squared plus 2 squared, which is 4. So by combining them, you will have 4 over s minus 5 minus 20 over s squared plus 4. This is the Laplace transform of our given expression 4 times e to the power of 5t minus 10 sine 2t. It's not easier for us to come up with this once we're able to establish general forms we did in the previous videos. Okay? Thank you very much for watching.